Hi everyone, what's new in your daily life today? And my name is Auxe, and here I'm coming back with another video about fragrances, and it's no other than the famous Zara fragrance. And I have been speaking about Zara fragrances many times, so have a look at my other videos if you are interested, because recently I seem to order only Zara fragrances because of the economy, of course. And today I want to unbox this Zara Gardenia fragrance that I bought. I'm so familiar with this Gardenia fragrance right now, and to be honest, for that reason I bought another bigger bottle, and I really know what's the smell is about, and I just simply want to unbox it to have a look. How is this bottle looks like, is it beautiful, is it not? And I will be talking about this scent as well. It's super nice. I'm super happy about this smell, to be honest. So this bottle costed for me $5.95, and I bought another bottle. So this bottle is slightly bigger, as you can see, and it's pretty beautiful. What's that? Like a purple color seems to be dominating over there. And basically, so $12.95 is the price. It's true, $12.95. And to be honest, for this type of scent that we have, is actually pretty worth buying. The reason why, because I got a compliment wearing this fragrance. I have never had a compliment from Zara fragrances yet, but I am complimenting myself because I'm really enjoying them, because you can spray so much and you can feel that fragrance for more if you spray more, because it's so cheap. So actually, and also not many people are familiar with Zara fragrances, so I seem to be smelling slightly different than other people, because of course everybody knows Armani, everybody knows anything else, but nobody knows Zara fragrances. Nobody is tempted to try them, so those smells, it seems like different. Let's unbox this fragrance Eau de Perfume, Gardenia Zara. So it's perfume. So this one basically 100 ml, so $12.95. Let's see what are the notes. So that would say this one is actually a dupe for Black Opium, from YSL. So Black Opium, and it's a dupe, and it's pretty spot on dupe, they say. I never had Opium, but I don't even want to buy it because I'm very happy with this fragrance. So Gardenia, the poetry, what it says: splashes of vibrant force, genuine and confident. Splashes of a vibrant force, genuine and confident. So there is that confidence, vibrant force. So vibrant, so it's kind of maybe strong, this fragrance, at least it lasts 4 or 5 hours, for me. So but that type of smell is kind of it's not fresh. It's more like a bolder type of scent, sweet type of bolder type of scent, So what are the notes? It's notes of orange blossom, coffee and vanilla. So it has a coffee scent. Orange blossom, I don't know, vanilla, yes, coffee perhaps. So basically, so I have been using this fragrance for quite a while already, and it did make me very happy, this fragrance. So because of the lasting power. So this box is so beautiful. Let's just unbox it to have a look. What are the colors of this fragrance? What also, every time I unbox these fragrances, there is this type of, it seems like I need to damage, because I don't have any scissors right here, so we have no choice, we have to damage. And we're gonna open this beautiful box. So here, I have never had actually this shape of bottle yet from Zara, so that's my first. That's my first, guys. So this beautiful. So what's the difference? If you want to start with that one, go with that one, and then if you like it, go with that one. So everything seems the same. It's so purple color is dominating. Is dominating Gardenia. So there is this type of leather type of box right here, and purple color. What does it mean, purple color? And, because each color has some kind of meaning. Like blue is intelligence, like red is, I don't know what is red, like yellow is, what's that, yellow? Green, I know, is vitality, but purple, what does it mean, purple color? I don't know. Let's remember this. So So the scent is exactly the same as it was before, and yes. So guys, like instead of wearing, let's say, those Armani C, you know, that everybody knows, wear this one. Because nobody knows, you know, these Zara fragrances, and you know, nobody knows them, and you know, you will smell much different than other people. Perhaps, you know, you will lack of lasting power. This one doesn't lack lasting power, but I mean the rest, and maybe other fragrances are not as powerful, but yes, guys, really yes, I would say. So I would like to know, for an example, have you ever got compliments while wearing these fragrances? Because that's what interests me always, you know, compliments. And what else? It's actually amazing. I'm very happy about this fragrance. This is gonna be the fragrance that I will be buying, I think, once I run out. I'm super happy about this, especially winter time is the greatest, you know, thing. I got one compliment with this fragrance, because perhaps people that are around me is not used to giving compliments about fragrances, so probably that's the reason. So guys, I'm gonna leave you at that with this beautiful unboxing of this beautiful fragrance. So longevity is normal. It's a bolder type of sweet fragrance. It's super cheap, $12.95. It's dupe, they say spot on dupe of $12.90 of YSL Opium. I never had that one before. I got compliment with this one. It's a perfect for winter. It lasts, you know, it's pleasant, it's feminine. What else would you want? So if you want to buy this fragrance, go for that one. It's probably one of the best ones that Zara has there. So that's all. Have a great day, everybody. So my name is Auxe. If you are interested about fragrances like that, recently I do Zara fragrances just to so into them right now, but you can hear some others as well, other fragrances. So subscribe to my channel. I really recommend you to do that, and so we can meet again. Okay, have a great day, everybody, and bye bye.